welcome to my channel. Join me today as I take on the challenge of making Pinterest work for me and see if I can earn some serious cash online in just a week. When it comes to making money online, there's one platform that often gets overlooked, but has huge potential for passive income: Pinterest. With over 325 million active users, it's a treasure trove of potential customers just waiting to be tapped into. And the best part, it's completely free to use. But despite its popularity, many people struggle to monetize their Pinterest accounts, and that's exactly what we're going to tackle today. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to earn money on Pinterest is getting their pins seen. You create beautiful boards pinned regularly, but somehow your engagement is almost non-existent. You're not alone. Millions of Pinterest users struggle to get their content noticed, and it's not because they're not trying hard enough. The truth is, Pinterest's algorithm is constantly changing, making it difficult to keep up with the latest trends and best practices. And even when you do manage to get some engagement, it's hard to convert those likes and comments into actual sales. Another major hurdle is understanding how to effectively target the right audience. You might be creating amazing content, but if it's not resonating with the right people, you'll never make any sales. And let's be honest, finding the perfect niche is tough. There's so much competition out there that it's hard to stand out from the crowd. But what if I told you there's a way to overcome all these obstacles and start making real money on Pinterest? Many Pinterest users also struggle to create content that resonates with their audience. They might be sharing beautiful images, but they're not taking the time to optimize them for search, or they're not including relevant keywords in their descriptions. And when it comes to creating boards, they're not strategic about how they're organizing their content. All these little mistakes can add up to a Pinterest account that's not earning as much as it could be. Most people who try to monetize their Pinterest accounts focus on creating more content, but that's not the solution. The real key to success on Pinterest is understanding how to optimize your profile, how to target the right audience, and how to create content that resonates. And that's exactly what we're going to dive into next. When it comes to optimizing your Pinterest profile, niche selection is key. You need to find a niche that's not only profitable but also resonates with your passions and interests. Once you've found your niche, it's time to start creating boards that are strategic, well-organized, and packed with valuable content. And then there's the art of pin design, creating visually stunning pins that grab people's attention and make them want to click. But it's not just about creating beautiful pins. You need to be strategic about how you're targeting your audience. Pinterest has some amazing tools that allow you to target specific demographics, interests, and even keywords. When you're creating your pins, you need to be thinking about who you're trying to reach and how you can appeal to them. And let's not forget about rich pins. These are game changers when it comes to increasing engagement and driving traffic to your website. One of the most effective strategies for increasing traffic and earnings on Pinterest is creating viral content. This means creating pins that are so valuable, so informative, or so entertaining that people can't help but share them with their friends and family. When you create viral content, you're not only increasing engagement on your pins, you're also increasing the chances of going viral, which can lead to massive traffic and sales. Another key strategy is to focus on creating content that educates or entertains. People come to Pinterest looking for inspiration, ideas, and solutions to their problems. When you create content that resonates with them, they're more likely to engage with your pins, visit your website, and even make a purchase. And the best part? Educational content is often evergreen, meaning it can continue to drive traffic and sales for months or even years to come. The final key to success on Pinterest is consistency. You can't just create a few pins, sit back, and expect the money to roll in. You need to be consistently creating high-quality content, engaging with your audience, and optimizing your profile if you want to see real results. And the good news is, once you've set up your profile and started creating content, Pinterest can be a relatively passive income stream. In this video, we've explored some of the most effective strategies for optimizing your Pinterest profile, creating viral content, and driving traffic and sales. By implementing these strategies, you can start making real money on Pinterest. And I'm not talking about pennies and dimes, I'm talking about serious cash. Thanks for watching. And if you've had success with Pinterest, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on earning online. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video.